Welcome inside of Email Spike. This is a live demo to show you the two different applications inside of Email Spike. The first is Video Spike, which allows you to embed video directly inside of an email or create a fallback GIF file that you can embed into your emails, as well as Timer Spike, which allows you to create countdown or scarcity timers directly inside of your email marketing campaigns. So first I'll demo Video Spike and then I'll show you Timer Spike. So right now we're in a brand new account. We're on the dashboard of Video Spike, and I'm going to go ahead and create my first video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a campaign. So say this is just a demo campaign, but this just allows you to organize your videos into campaigns or into groups. Okay, or I can select from an existing campaign if I had already created a few different campaigns. Okay, then I'm going to create a name for this. So I'll just say this is demo. And then from there, it's going to enter you into the editing area. So there's three different types of campaigns or types that you can choose. So you can choose from MP4, slideshow, and YouTube GIF. Okay, MP4 allows you to take any MP4. It could be hosted on Amazon S3 or Wistia or wherever, or Press Play or wherever it may be hosted, and you can embed that video into an email client. Now, every email client's a little bit different. Some do not have the capability or support embeddable videos where you can actually play the video directly inside of your email client. So for those email clients that do not support that, we have what's called a fallback image, which allows you to enter in an image or an animated GIF that automatically will detect, hey, this email client does not allow embeddable videos. Okay, there'll be a fallback GIF or image that will be shown instead. Okay, for slideshow videos, this allows you to create slides and put text on top of the slides, and you can display almost like a mini slideshow presentation in a GIF format. Okay, then YouTube GIF allows you to take any YouTube video and convert a specific portion of that video into an animated GIF. Okay, so I'll show you all three of those. So the first one is MP4. So say I'm just going to take, let me go ahead and take an MP4 video. Just going to take this one here. And now there's also the ability to add a WebM source, which is great for mobile devices like iPads and Androids. They like to look for this WebM file, and some of them require it, some of them do not. Now it's very easy to do. We show a video on how to convert an MP4 into a WebM format, but it's always recommended that you add that format, but it is optional. Okay, then you can choose your dimensions, what size you want the actual video to be, and then you can choose your target URL. So when someone clicks on the fallback image, it's going to take them to whichever link you want to send them to. It could be an affiliate link, it could be your sales page, whatever it may be. And so I'm just going to put in digitalkickstart.com. And now what I'm going to do is I've already added the video in there, but I need to create my fallback image if they don't allow videos to be played inside of the email client. So I can choose from creating an animated GIF, I can upload my own image if I want to, or I can just provide the image URL. But for this example, I'm going to choose an animated GIF. And so what I'll do is I'm going to click start, and it's going to play the video, and I can choose where I want this to start creating the GIF. So say that I wanted it to start right here at 1 minute and 40 seconds, or I could edit it right here if I wanted to. And I can choose the length. You can choose anywhere between 1 second and say 10 seconds, how long you want the GIF to be. I can loop the GIF, meaning once it's done playing, it just keeps on playing over and over. I can display the player controls if I want to. I can make it a static progress bar or a moving progress bar. Okay, and then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on Generate GIF. It's going to take a minute or two just to create that GIF for you, and then you can preview what it's going to look like for anybody that's going to receive the fallback GIF. Okay, and so there you go. So you can see it created the GIF based off of the video that I have, and this is going to be just a 10-second GIF. So if I were to watch it for 10 seconds, I could either download this and host it myself, or easily you can just click on Get Code, and you can copy this code. And what it does is it'll automatically embed the video, or if it needs to have the fallback image, it'll display the fallback image or GIF. Okay, so it's really all you need to do is take that code, put it into your email client, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, whatever email service that you use. You just copy that and put it into your email wherever you want it to display inside of your email. Okay, so it's just that simple. Okay, so that was for MP4. Now, you could also create a slideshow video. So this is, say that I'm going to go ahead and put in a target URL. So this is what people are going to click on when if they click on the video here. Then you can choose the dimensions, and then I can choose if I want it to loop, show a play button at the end, show a sound icon. I can do all of those things if I want to. And you can choose, if you want it to be a light icon, a dark icon, what position you want it to be. Then I'm going to create what kind of text, so watch this demo now, or say click here to watch the demo. Or you can put in whatever text you want. I can change the where I want it positioned, right? So say I want to be positioned more in the middle of the page. I can choose my say I want to choose a different font. I could choose a different font size, okay, and say that I wanted the text speed to be somewhat fast. Okay. Now I have that slide. Oh, I could also add an image background if I want, or I can do a gradient background. Okay, so here's a gradient, here's an image. So say I can change the background here. I can choose a gradient, I could choose a pattern, or I could do a unique image. And so say that I wanted to choose this one right here. And then from there, so that's the first slide that'll show. Then I can add another slide if I want to. You can add as many slides as you want to. And so say that I wanted to choose a different background, choose, don't forget the 50% discounts, whatever you want to put there. Okay. And then I can add another slide if I want to. I can delete the slide, and then I can click on preview once I'm done. And it's going to create the animated GIF for you based on the slides that you just created. So this will take just another minute or two. And there you go. So you can see that it's created the GIF, and you can see here's the animated text, and it's switched over to the next slide. So and then now it's looping back. Okay, then you can take the get code, grab that embed code, and put it directly into your email autoresponder or email campaign, and it will add that to you. Now, the third type is the YouTube GIF. So I could take any YouTube video. I'll go ahead and grab this one here. I'm going to load the video. I'm just going to take the Adele video. And now I can take that video and turn it into a GIF. So I could click on play, and it'll start playing the video, or I can fast forward it to wherever I want it to start. And then I can choose, okay, so I can put in my target URL, so where people are going to go to when they click on the GIF file. Then I'm going to choose a starting point, or I can choose and choose the number of seconds or the length I want the GIF to be. I can loop it if I want to, display controls, show the sound icon if I want to. Okay, and so now I can take that YouTube video and I can click on generate GIF, and it's going to start at wherever the starting point is. In this circumstance, it's going to be 2 minutes and 3 seconds, and it's going to be a 10-second GIF that I'm generating, and then I'll embed that into my email. And now I can take that YouTube video, and it's a nice engaging GIF file. And so here it is. You can see the GIF was created. I can download it if I want to, and then I could also get the code right here and copy and paste that into videos or into my email clients. Okay, so that is how easy it is to create embeddable videos as well as animated GIFs. Okay, from lots of different format options. Okay, now Timer Spike is very simple. It allows you to embed countdown timers, scarcity timers directly inside of your email. So you're on the dashboard here. You can see the active timers that you have if you have any currently counting down, and then you also have the ones that are expired. And you'll be able to see total impressions based on today and the last 30 days. Now, an impression is just someone that saw the email countdown timer inside of their email. Okay, so I'm going to create a new timer. I'm going to say this is sales NV 24-hour timer. And I'm going to create the timer, and then you're going to choose from your design. So as you can see, we have lots of different designs here. Okay, and I'm just going to choose this one. And then once the timer has expired, you can choose what which design you want for to automatically show when it's expired. Okay, so you can edit the name if you want to. You can choose the date that you want or the time that you want it to expire. So say I want it to expire tomorrow at say 11 o'clock. Okay, and then I can choose my local time zone if I want to, and then I can choose the language that I'm targeting. Okay, so if you choose a different language, it'll obviously change the hours, minutes, seconds to whatever language that you're in, and I believe there's 20 or 30 different languages here to choose from. Okay, now once you've done that, you can customize the timer design. So you can change the background color, the primary color, the text color, the font size, the font family, display if you want the day to show or not. So maybe if you're doing a timer that's less than 24 hours, you may not want to show the day. And then also the width of the actual GIF file. So I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to click on preview, and it'll show you a live preview of what it's going to look like. So here's what it's going to look like. 23 hours, 40 minutes, 18 seconds, and then I get the code. All I need to do is copy that code directly inside of my email client, and that will automatically display. And now if you go and you update the end date, it will automatically reflect when the person opens up their email. It'll show the correct end date based on whatever you choose. Okay, so it's very, very simple. It takes 5 to 10 seconds to set this up and just embed it into your email. And you have a nice scarcity timer, which, as anybody knows, it's the most powerful psychological trigger in sales when you invoke scarcity or urgency into your offers for your products and services. Okay, so hopefully that was a nice demo. Showed you guys Video Spike and Timer Spike, and obviously when you do invest into Email Spike, you're going to get unlock both of these apps to help make your email marketing to take it to the next level. Okay. Talk to you guys soon. See you in the members area.